22 days.
So you are going to pay.
Obviously, it is on. We have to go by the order.
So but that is. Do you have to check basically whatever they have done?
See, again, I invite your attention to the para number 7, wherein all the payments are, as disclosed above, are without prejudice to the rights of the respective parties and subject to the decision in this matter as well as before the learned arbitral tribunal or any higher authority, including High Court.
Some of the councillors raised their sentiments that this work from Fomento should be taken off and it is to be given to the waste management. So what is?
See, that was not discussed. That we will have to discuss. That matter was not before the.
वादाचेर शॅडो कावन्सिलान फंड मारले, तांकां आमदाराचेरूय दुबाव.
ते रूड लोक न्ही, तांचे जर मडगांव घराचे कोणी 10 जाणांची जर कमिटी काडून जर वचत ताचे कडेन ह्या आमकां पयशे जर सोड म्हणत न्ही तो सोडपाक तयार जातलो मनीस. से सर्टिफिकेट ताका घेवपाक लावपाक जाता. आमी ताका रिक्वेस्ट करपाचें तूं आमचेर हें कर नाका म्हणून बर्डन मडगांव घराचेर बर्डन घालनाका म्हणून. सीओ शुड नॉट बी मेक अ स्केपगोट.
कोणा प्रेशराचेर दिसता तुमकां?
हांव म्हणटा जे पळय आमकां मडगांव म्युनिसिपालिटीक जे 3 आमदार लागता, 3 आमदारांतले 2 आमदारांक चड करून हो भाग लागता. ते 2 आमदार करता कितें?
They have been offered by the Margao Municipal Council 1 lakh rupees per day to handle the waste from 9th of August. And this particular decision, we ourselves don't know on what basis it has been done. As per the agreement, the council had to pay them 20 on an average from 18 lakhs to 43 lakhs. On an average, 29 lakhs 29 lakhs per year as per the concession agreement, the balance payment that was due to them. But here you are giving them 30 lakhs per month. What sort of sense and how you have arrived at this figure of 1 lakh per?
एके वटेन 100% कोयराचे सॅग्रिगेशनाक MMC फेल, दुसरे वटेन सोनसड्यार मिक्स कोयराचे दोंगर. एके वटेन थळाव्यांचो दबाव, दुसरे वटेन प्लांट ऑपरेट करपी फॉमेंतो कडेन म्युनिसिपालिटीचे देणे घेण्यावेल्यान कोर्टात वाद. तातूंत आतां शॅडो कावन्सिलाचे फंड. मडगांवच्या कुसक्या कोयराचो प्रश्न सोनसड्या परस पेरीक. प्रुडंटा खातीर सावयो डायस आनी भीमा पाटील.